Hi, this is Shane from SimpleSet. This video is going to look at manager labels. We're going to discuss how to add them, how to apply them, and how to use them and what they're mainly used for. Inside the manager portal, what we do is we start by adding them in the settings. So we click on settings, we click on labels. We see here I already have a few labels in place. If I wanted to add another one, let's say we want to start labeling our student users. We enter student. We notice the student label doesn't already exist, so we can create it. After we click create, we have the option of choosing a color. The color just helps it stand out. Obviously, you've got a few colors to work with here. Let's choose green. That one isn't already used, so we choose that. As we mouse over each of these, we see that currently I don't have any labels associated to users. We can tell this by seeing the number of users over here. If I ever wanted to delete a label, let's say that we stop tracking outpatient related users, you can click on the red X. If there's no users assigned to it, it will just delete it. Other than that, once you add as many labels as you want, you can then go to your users. For any existing users, it's obviously not going to put any labels on them. So what you can do is under the labels area here, you can left click, and down here we see the options. You can choose one or more options here. So maybe this user is a neurology student or something like that. So you can choose multiple. We see here that those are now applied. You also have the option when you're inviting clinicians. Let's say support@simpleset.net. I click add. Once I've got this, if I click on the email address, I can choose what labels I want to apply. Again, I can choose one or many. What this will do is as this person creates their account based on the invitation they receive, it'll immediately come into the system with the orthopedics label. So we click send, the email is sent, I can invite more, or of course, click done. Now, it's useful to know labels do not grant extra permissions to users. All labels do is help in searching, so we can search based on the labels that are in the system. So if I come over here and I choose student or neurology, this user will remain. If I choose cardiorespiratory, of course it goes blank because we currently don't have any with that. So this is what manager labels allow you to do. This is especially useful with larger lists where you have many people in many different departments and you want a quick look at an individual department or maybe a specific type of user. Maybe you want to see all of your students across all of the departments or teams. You can then choose that. That is manager labels in SimpleSet. Thank you for your time.